Well, hello YouTube fans, how you today? Well, thank you for tuning in today's blog. If you're wondering what I'm doing today, I'm going to show you how to put some different connectors on a RG69 cable here. It's just a standard Coax cable. And you can see it does have these standard F connectors on it. And I got different ones to kind of put on it. I have these screw-on F connectors as well. And also I have these BCN screw-ons as well. I actually made one not too long ago, and it looks pretty nice actually with the actual screw-on connectors. You're not going to waste your crimp-ons or your compression fittings and stuff like that. But it's one special tool you're going to need is a Coax stripping wire to properly strip your cable. And of course, you're going to need some dikes to cut off the bad section of the cables. And we'll just pop that right off and see what it looks like on the inside. And this is a demonstration just showing you on how you can do this yourself. Now sometimes you might have a doubled shielded insulation on this type of cable as well, but not all of them do. Now you can also adjust your tool to only cut certain types of cables as well. And all you're hearing is the copper coating and stuff being stripped on the inside of the cable itself. And that comes off like that. Oh, I think I over-tightened it a little too much. Yeah, I'm going to have to back that off a bit. And I'm going to have to restrip this gauge cable because I'm losing my shield on here. Alright, I'll be right back and I will fix this problem. Well, welcome back. And by the way, I have kind of readjusted my cable stripper here to make sure we don't take off too much of the actual shielding of the cable itself. Well, let's go and put this back in the actual unit. Make sure we get the correct size we need to make sure. If it's too tight, I can also loosen the screw a bit. And this is just demonstrating you on how you can actually make your own types of connections. Now this looks like it's perfect like here. And we didn't cut too many of the braids. Let's pull that off though. And what we want to do is we want to pull back the actual braid before we can put the twist-on F connector on. And this looks like it's a high quality cable and stuff too. I thought that's pretty neat. Now if you're going to be using a compression fitting unit, you can do that too if you want. Let's make sure you pull back the wires a bit and kind of smush them down a bit around the actual cable itself. You can see, now you just have a kind of neat way of connecting your cables. And by using the twist-ons, all you do is you just twist them on. And it just twists on the cable. Sometimes these can be a little bit tough to get on. And like I said, I will come back and fiddle around with this in 1 second. Alright, well, we kind of messed up on the cable again. And this is called just a practice cable, and to see if we can get these twist-on connectors to fit on the actual cable itself. What you want to make sure you do you want to make sure the cable is completely flat. You need to snip a little bit end off though. And this is a pretty tough cable to really get these twist-on F connectors on this type of cable. And of course, your stripping unit here. And don't worry, if you kind of mess up, that's okay. It's called learning and practicing on how to do the cabling the first time. Hey, I'm not perfect at it. I'm just experimenting. And we kind of just go like that, twist like that, and we'll just pull off that endo. And we're kind of like, make sure we get this looking off as well. Pull that off now. And we'll just get these strands of cables and bend those all the way down. I wish I had my compression fitting ones, and that would go a whole lot better than these twist-on ones. But the twist-on ones are all usable. That's what the cable should look like. Let's push this twist-on connector, and it's very slippery, and you really can't get a good grip on the cable to try to get these twist-ons on them. Fiddly, ain't ya? Fiddly little cable. That's why most people like the compression fitting ones, and I do agree with that. And I like those too. But alright, I will get this cable and put this on now, and I'll show you what it looks like once it's completely done. We are finally done putting the twist-on N connectors, F connectors on this double-shielded Coax cable here, and I had to agree using the compression fitting ones or a lot better than we using these twist-on connectors here. You can pick these up like at your local electronic stores and stuff like that. But I thought it was pretty interesting to kind of show you on how you can practice on putting these type of connectors on it. And I actually done one not too long ago with this style cable. This is a bit more flexible, and it's not that hard to twist these on. But once your fingers get kind of tired, it's like, okay, it's time to take a break from it. And of course, I did a little bit of mess ups on it, but you know what? Get yourself some old cable and just do some practice of stripping the ends and putting the cables on it and putting your different types of connectors you want to use on it. Alright, if you guys are joining this channel, please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, please like, please share. Peace out, bye guys and girls. Well, if we see you in the next vlog, thank you for watching, and have a very nice day. Peace out, catch you all later.